Most people think you start feeling rich when you make millions, but that's not how it works. Real rich doesn't show up in your bank account first. It shows up in your mind. It shows up the moment you stop stressing about every small bill, the moment you can buy groceries without checking your bank balance 5 times, the moment rent doesn't feel like a monthly fight you might lose. That's where real freedom begins. Because when you're broke, your brain doesn't think about growth. It thinks about survival. You're not asking, how do I build my future? You're asking, how do I make it to next week? And that mindset keeps you stuck for years. Because it's hard to think big when your phone bill's due tomorrow. So if you want to change your life, you don't start with millions. You start with structure. You start with control. And there are 6 simple steps that build that foundation. Let's break it down. Step 1, cut your expenses hard. And yes, hard, not soft, not maybe, hard. Because right now, every extra dollar leaving your account is slowing your future down. Stop eating out all the time. Stop buying things just because they're on sale. Stop trying to look rich before you are rich. That's one of the fastest ways to stay broke. Right now, your goal is simple. Keep more money than you spend. Cheap food, cheap rent, cheap transport. Not forever, just long enough to breathe again. Because if every dollar disappears every month, you never get space to grow. And growth needs space. Step 2, protect your time. Most people say they don't have time, but that's not true. They just leak it. 5 minutes here, 10 minutes there, hours gone scrolling without even noticing. You do have time. You're just not protecting it. And that's expensive, because time is the one thing you can't earn back. Early mornings matter. Evenings matter. Weekends matter. That's your hidden wealth, and what you do with it decides your future. Also, stop multitasking. It feels productive, but it destroys focus. You can't build anything serious while checking your phone every 30 seconds. Put it away. Lock in for a few hours. Do real work. That's where progress happens. Step 3, learn a skill people already pay for. Don't overthink this part. You don't need a perfect idea. You need a useful skill, something the market already pays for, like video editing, advertising, content writing, sales, marketing, design. Pick one, not 5. 1. Most people stay stuck because they keep switching every week. New idea, new skill, new direction. And they never go deep enough to become good at anything. One skill, one focus. That's enough to start changing your life. Step 4, practice over and over. Watching videos is not learning. Listening is not learning. Planning is not learning. Doing is learning. You try, you mess up, you fix it. You try again. That's it. Simple. Your first attempts will be bad. That's normal. Your first videos won't be great. Your first work won't be perfect. Your first ideas might fail completely. Good. That's not failure, that's training data. Every mistake shows you what to fix next. You don't improve by waiting, you improve by doing. Nobody starts ready. Nobody. Step 5, spend money in smart places. Some people think saving every dollar is the answer. It's not, because sometimes spending money actually makes you move faster. The question is not, can I save this? The question is, will this help me grow? Maybe it's software, maybe it's a course, maybe it's a tool that saves you hours every week. Smart spending is not about spending less, it's about spending better. Because time saved can be more valuable than money saved. Step 6, don't inflate your lifestyle. This is where most people ruin everything. They start making a little more money and immediately upgrade everything. New clothes, new phone, new car, better apartment. And suddenly they are back at 0 again. That's the trap. Because looking successful is not the same as being successful.
Your goal is freedom, not appearance. Keep your expenses low even when your income goes up, because the gap between what you earn and what you spend, that gap is everything. That gap builds savings. That gap builds options. And options build freedom. So remember, cut expenses, protect your time, learn one skill, practice daily, spend money wisely, don't inflate your lifestyle. That's the system. Simple, not flashy, but powerful. Because financial freedom doesn't happen in one big moment. It happens in small decisions repeated every day. And one day, you realize something changed. You're not surviving anymore. You're building. And that's when everything starts to shift.
If this helped you in any way, you might enjoy more videos like this. You can subscribe if you want to see more simple ideas about money and growth. Feel free to like the video if you found it useful, and you can leave a comment. I read them all.